everyone, it's Tamira Granneman, platinum artist and stylist from Huntington Beach, California. Today, I'm here in the Scruples studio to show you how to create this platinum chrome technique using the Power Blonde lightening and toning system and the new PBX Bond Builder. For this technique, I'll be showing you how platinum meets chrome for a hybrid, modern, metallic blonde. To make this bold look, I'll be feathering fine, precision foils throughout the hair for maximum intense lift. More and more often, my clients are requesting these extreme high fashion transformations. Typically, applying this dramatic of a transition, even with precision foiling from a level 3, would be risky and most likely cause damage. But now, with Scruples PBX Bond Builder, I can build better bonds to create the healthiest blondes. This single-step bond builder uses new technology and is also infused with Scruples' signature PBX formula, so it protects and prevents damage during this chemical service, the best of both worlds. Also, there's no need to alter any formulas or processing times. The bond builder acts as a defense during the lifting process, while the PBX helps to deeply condition and maintain the hair's moisture, strength, and elasticity. This allows me to give clients 2 powerful restorative conditioning agents in one. hope you love this beautiful blonde as much as I do. To learn more about Power Blonde and the PBX Bond Builder, and to watch more online education from me, click the links below. Thanks for watching!